My name's Peter Vaughan and Chef Director of Vaughans Kitchen and Cookery School in Devizes, Wiltshire. My dish is a tart of leeks, West Country cheddar and ham. I was inspired to create this dish because we're always looking for snacks and quite often they're not particularly good for us. So I wanted to create a tart that was easy to cook, to eat cold, that delivered a really good amount of nutrition, but most of all, a really comforting, satisfying taste. The standout ingredient for this dish is ironically the leeks, which they kind of give an amazing flavour, but it's not a great flavour on its own. So with the West Country cheddar and the ham, the leeks come alive. I hope, and I'm confident, that the diner's going to get a huge hug when they eat this. It's a snack, but also it can be made into a meal. It's not greasy or rich or guilty, and it just really, really comforts you. With this dish, in the summer, a beautiful salad and boiled minted potatoes. In the winter, I would do mash and peas. For me, nutrition's really important. It always has been throughout my life, but training as a chef, I know that food is the time to rejuvenate oneself. So it was important that in this snack, in this tart, it had a good dollop of nutrition. And that obviously comes from the cheese, but mainly from the leeks.